In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can activate your Revolut card in the UK today. Now, this will work for both physical and virtual cards, so no matter which card you're using, we will be able to get that activated right now. So to start with, how do we activate a physical card? You can activate your physical Revolut card by making a payment at a physical terminal. And if you don't know what that means inserting your card into the terminal and providing a PIN code. Most people nowadays pay with contactless, so make sure you do not do that. You have to actually type in the PIN for this to activate. And you can do this at either a shop, at their terminal, or just at an ATM. In the case that you need to check the card's PIN, you can just select the card in the card section of the Revolut app, tap on settings, and then view PIN. But bear in mind, you must verify your identity before you can actually activate your card. So how do we actually activate a virtual card? Now the way to do that is to go on the Revolut app, and then from there you just want to select which virtual card you want to activate. When you've found which one you want to activate, you just want to go ahead and click on it, and then one of the options should say activate card. When you can see this option, go ahead and click on it. It will ask if you're sure you want to activate, and from there you just want to say yes, and after that your card will then be activated. So hopefully if you followed the steps in this video, you would have either activated your physical Revolut card or your virtual Revolut card. So hopefully now your card is now active and you'll be able to use it for contactless and a whole bunch of other stuff now that it is fully activated. So if you did manage to get activated, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.